Hello guys, so today I will be showing you how to create the multiplication table. So here I create the for loop in the range of 1 to 11 because I just want to make it for multiplication of 1 until 10. And then I need to create the print statement. You use the F string to make it easier to write, and then just type something that I need to type, and I just need to add the title so it is clearer. The multiplication of E. Okay, sorry, I forget to put the F string here. And now we can just run it, and now it's done under 1 minute. What do you guys think?